And the race is on 6A, make no mistake, moving up by the rallies Doña Leonora, followed by Angel Sky. Doña Leonora by sound 4 lengths, followed by Angel Sky, Banay Banay. Even now, alongside by the rallies Dashing, 6A, entry make no mistake, executive order, while Dom Perific, the favorite, was left behind. Rounding the far turn, Doña Leonora by some 6 lengths. Banay Banay in second. Angel Sky is racing in third, rushing up even now. Executive Order is sneaking down on the inside, dashing. Second last, make no mistake. Last 450 and going to the long Santa stretch run with Doña Leonora by some 6 lengths, followed now by Executive Order. Banay Banay is racing third by the round, moving up is dashing, and nearing the last 150 meters more to round with Doña Leonora from start to finish. And finally at the finish line, number 1, Doña Leonora. Second, Dashing. Executive Order 6A, make no mistake, Angel Sky, Even Now, and Banay Banay.